Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must start by getting explicit permission. Do not proceed otherwise. Once done, verify the owner's account, platform, and why you need the seed. This prevents misunderstandings. Make sure to document consent with date and scope so you can show authorization if challenged. If permission is denied, stop immediately and consider alternatives like asking for a world export or join as guest. You are protecting both your legal standing and the owner's privacy. Always prioritize transparency and consent before technical actions. Once you have permission, request the proper exports rather than attempting intrusive retrieval. Use the platform's official backup or Realm export features because they preserve data integrity and respect terms of service. Make sure you verify files with checksums and timestamps so you know nothing was altered in transit. If you need technical help, ask the owner for temporary access or screen share. Never use third-party hacks. These steps ensure you can work safely, ethically, and reproducibly. Finish by extracting or calculating the seed only from the authorized data you received. Explain your method to the owner so they understand results. Once complete, deliver findings via an encrypted channel, delete any interim copies, and revoke any temporary access you had. If something looks wrong, corrupt files, mismatched timestamps, or owner confusion, pause and reconfirm permission and provenance before continuing. Troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, stop and verify with the owner to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.